Hello viewers, this is Jubilee Sakia and you're watching My News Any. The Assam government led by the Bharatiya Janata Party has successfully dismantled the extensive corruption network that plugged recruitment process for government jobs across the state. This has been announced by Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma. Here we are bringing you the full details. Assam CM claims end of rupees 15,000 crore scam. 1.5 lakh jobs given without any bribes. Government prioritize transparency and youth empowerment. Rupees 100 crore projects launched in Karbi Anglong. Preschool kits distributed to Anganwadi centers. Yes, viewers, the Bharatiya Janata Party led government in Assam has dismantled a massive corruption network related to government job recruitments. This has been announced by Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma. Talking to his official X handle, the Chief Minister wrote rupees 15,000 crore brokerage shops closed, yes, by bringing transparency to 1.5 government jobs. The money that used to go into the pockets of bribe takers and corrupt politicians was stopped, asserting that while the state government works for the welfare of the people, some people can pay rupees 1 lakh for a government job. The Chief Minister further emphasized that the state government's commitment to good governance, stating that 1.5 lakhs youth have got government jobs without any bribes. In an accompanying video, Chief Minister Sharma addressed the issue, stating, if I had taken rupees 1 lakh from each candidate, I would have earned rupees 15 crores. Just imagine, will anyone not pay rupees 1 lakh to get a government job? Will people give rupees 1 lakh if I say I will give government jobs? They would have been given it to me, but we work for the poor people of Assam. We don't need any money and we will punish those who take money. Our youth should get a job without any bribes. 1.5 lakh youths have got government jobs in the last 4 years at absolutely zero cost. The development works with encompass laying, widening, improving and upgrading roads, bridges and other projects are expected to revolutionize connectivity in Karbi Anglong. Here is what Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma have stated.
1 lakh toka koi jodi lolu heten mur ghorat 15,000 koti toka jama hol heten. Apunaluke hisab koribo aru sarkari sakori kane 1 lakh toka diar manuhor kom ase niki dibone na 1 lakh toka jodi moi sakori diu buli koi 1 lakh toka dibone nai buku dile heten kintu আমি আজি অসমৰ দুখিয়া মানুহৰ কাৰণে চিন্তা কৰিছো আমি কৈছো আমাকতো টকা নালাগে আৰু জুনে টকা লয় তাকো আমি জেলত পঠাই দিম আমি কাকো মাফ নকৰো আমাৰ লৰা ছোৱালীয়ে বিনা পইচাত চাকৰি পাব লাগিব আজি অসমত চাওতে 1.5 লাখ লৰা ছোৱালীয়ে বিনা পইচাত চাকৰি পালে 1 লাখ টকা কই যদি ললু হেতেন মোৰ ঘৰত 15,000 কোটি টকা জমা হল হেতেন আপোনালোকে হিসাব কৰিব আৰু সৰকাৰি চাকৰি কাৰণে 1 লাখ টকা দিয়াৰ মানুহৰ কম আছে নেকি দিবনে না 1 লাখ টকা যদি মই চাকৰি দিউ বুলি কয় 1 লাখ টকা দিবনে নাই বুকু দিলে হেতেন কিন্তু আমি আজি অসমৰ দুখিয়া মানুহৰ কাৰণে চিন্তা কৰিছো আমি কৈছো আমাকতো টকা নালাগে আৰু জুনে টকা লয় তাকো আমি জেলত পঠাই দিম আমি কাকো মাফ নকৰো আমাৰ লৰা ছোৱালীয়ে বিনা পইচাত চাকৰি পাব লাগিব আজি অসমত চাওতে 1.5 লাখ লৰা ছোৱালীয়ে বিনা পইচাত চাকৰি পালে
As viewers, the Assam government led by the Bharatiya Janata Party has successfully dismantled an extensive corruption network that plagued the recruitment process for government jobs across the state. Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma took to social media X to declare the closure of what he termed a rupees 15 crore brokerage shop. He elaborated that by introducing transparency into the process of filing 1.5 lakh government positions, the state government has effectively blocked the flow of illicit funds that previously enriched bribe takers and corrupt politicians. Underscoring the government's dedication to public welfare, the Chief Minister acknowledged the unfortunate reality that some individuals were willing to pay substantial sum even after rupees 1 lakh to secure government employment to illegal means. Reiterating the state government's commitment to principles of good governance, CM Sharma highlighted the significant achievement of providing 1.5 lakh young individuals with government jobs over the past 4 years, all achieved without any instances of bribery or corruption. In a video message accompanying his statement, Chief Minister elaborated on the scale of the alleged corruption. He stated, "If I had taken rupees 1 lakh from each candidate, I could have earned rupees 15,000 crores. Just imagine, will anyone not pay rupees 1 lakh to get a government job? Will people give rupees 1 lakh if I say I will give government job? They will have given it to me, but we will work for the people of Assam. We don't need any money and we will push those who take money. Our youth should get a job without any bribes. 1.5 lakh youths have already got government jobs in the last 4 years at absolutely zero cost." That's all for now. For further updates, keep watching My News NE.